Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just swipe down from the top right here, and now here we have to find our screen recorder. As you can see, it's right here. Now we have to click on this icon of the screen recorder, and here we can set if we want to record our device audio, microphone, or both of them. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!